Welcome back to SurvivalScope. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of bushcraft with 10 more essential tips for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned survivalist or just starting out, these advanced tips will elevate your wilderness skills. Let's get started. Tip 1. Cordage Crafting. Making your own cordage from natural materials is a vital bushcraft skill. You can use plant fibers, bark, or even sinew. Start by collecting long fibers from plants like stinging nettle or inner bark from trees. Separate the fibers and twist them together to form a strong rope. You can also practice braiding techniques for added strength. Tip 2. Knife safety and usage. Let's talk about knife safety and how to use a knife. Your knife is one of the most important tools in bushcraft. If you need a good bushcraft knife, check out this video here. Learn various knife techniques such as feathering sticks, batoning wood, and carving. These skills are essential for fire making, shelter building, and more. A sharp knife is safer and more effective, so keep it well maintained. Always cut away from your body and keep your knife sharp. Tip 3. Animal processing. Knowing how to process small game and fish is essential for survival. We all have to eat, don't we? Learn to properly skin, gut, clean, and butcher animals. Preserve your meat by smoking, drying, or salting it. This ensures you have a reliable food source that lasts. Tip 4. Building a camp kitchen. A well-organized camp kitchen can make your outdoor experience more enjoyable. Set up a cooking area, a place for food storage, and a cleaning station. Experiment with open fire cooking, such as using a Dutch oven, and baking on a hot stone. Be sure to always keep your camp kitchen as clean as possible to prevent attracting dangerous wildlife and animals after your food supply. Tip 5. Foraging for medicinal plants. Foraging for medicinal plants is a valuable skill. Many plants have healing properties that can be used in the wild. Here's a link to a foraging guide to help you identify plants like yarrow, plantain, and willow. Learn to prepare poultices to relieve pain and inflammation, make teas, and salves. Be sure to cross-reference multiple sources to ensure plant safety. Tip 6. Natural insulation. Natural insulation can keep you warm in the wilderness. Use materials like leaves, grass, and moss to insulate your shelter. Pack these materials between your shelter layers for added warmth. This simple trick can make a big difference in cold weather. Tip 7. Making natural glue. Making natural glue is a handy bushcraft skill. Pine resin and animal hides are great resources for this. You can heat the resin until it melts, then mix it with powdered charcoal. Then, use this glue for repairs and constructing tools and shelters. Tip 8. Camouflage and Concealment. Camouflage and concealment help you blend into your environment. Learn how to use mud, plants, and other materials for natural camouflage. Apply mud to your skin and clothing, and add plant material to break up your outline. This is crucial for wildlife observation and staying hidden. This technique also works well for camouflaging your shelter. Tip 9. Weather prediction. Predicting the weather can help you prepare for changes in the forecast. Learn to read natural signs like cloud patterns, wind direction, and animal behavior. For example, cirrus clouds often indicate a change in weather. Pay attention to these signs to stay ahead of the elements. Tip 10. Wildlife observation. Wildlife observation requires patience and quiet movement. Learn to interpret animal behaviors and patterns for tracking them. Watch for signs of tracks, animal scat, and where they are feeding and what they are feeding on. Understanding these things can help you locate animals and avoid potential dangers. Have any bushcraft tips to share? Leave a comment below, and be sure to check out the description for links to products and resources mentioned in this video. We hope these 10 additional bushcraft tips help you become more proficient in the wilderness. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more survival tips and tricks from SurvivalScope. Thanks for watching. Stay prepared, stay safe.